much more than more. Because man love will never understand.
All right.
Grace is undeserved love, Papa. It's love that we don't deserve it, and He still loves us. I remember Mama always used to say that. It's unmerited. What is that, Mama? Mama was rolling in grace all this time. We understood. Unmerited favor. Favor that we don't deserve, and yet God gives it. Why? Because He loves you so much.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter, even though things are confused, even though God don't give us the spirit of confusion, but sometimes we get confused.
All right.
But it's not from God. We know it's not from God. But even in the midst of your confusion, grace abounds. Stay down. Stay down. Everybody was so confused that we get space. Now, wait. We got nothing in there. You ain't got nothing in there. Wait.
All right.
Yes, grace. I don't know why Jesus loves me. Why He loves me. I don't know why He I don't know why He sacrificed.